ng position. Like me, I can play the utility or hindi ako mag-open. Yung gano'n. Kahit ako naman gusto ko mag-libero, mag-contra. Pero it's up to the coach pa rin kung anong position mo.
Pero ikaw, Phil, if you weren't an open... And we're also going to see for the first time later on si Tony Koifman, who will play for Ateneo sa darating na UAP season 7, plagued by injuries sa huling UAP season, and one can only wonder if things could have been different para sa NU kung 100% healthy. This is a serious match.
At lahat nagsa-step up.
Jesse Lopez, back set para kay Bagunas.
Bagunas with an angle.
Peter Torres sending it to the other side. Wow! Ang bilis ng atake, pero mas mabilis naman yung blocking nitong si Torres at si Polvorosa, tossing it up to Torres. That's the signature move of Peter Torres.
Peter Torres realized
ating mga laban sa collegiate, reinforced, and open conference. We still see some solid. They might not be the top scorers of the team. They're middle of the pack scorers, pero pagdating sa clutch points and being vocal and leading
sa Team Hataw, Team Galaw, sorry. Walang tao doon. Miscommunication. I think this is normal naman kung yung selection na all-star.
7 ang ating talaan. Asia, back set to Labrador. Puntos na naman para sa Team Galaw.
Makita mo talaga sa katawan pala ng Labrador.
Pero dito muna tayo sa Spikers Turf All-Star game kung saan sinusubukan ng Team Hataw na makabalik dito sa laban na to.
Last touch, Team Hataw.
Lamang pa rin ang Team Galaw. And sila rin ang nakukuha ng
Lopez tossing it up.
Ang ganda ng set ni Jesse Lopez noon. Sumabay sa yung tatlong blockers. You can see here, sumabay na kagad yung dalawang blockers.
They give him another chance. And that time, he's able to close the set. At one point in time, Billy and Janine were actually courtside reporters for the reinforced conference. In 5 matches, he had a total of 12 kill blocks. That was most in the reinforced conference.
Yes.
Malabanan.
Quick hit for Malabanan. Single block lang ata siya nun.
Lopez tossing it up for Bagunas.
Bagunas with a cross-court attack.
Walang tao dun sa kanto.
Yes, nagtinginan din. Yes.
Peter Torres getting one over his former teammates. Sina Rayson, Berlin.
Sa Tanetas ngayon, sobrang lakas niya na and very, naging leader na rin siya sa team niya.
And he's also Alfafara. And Mark Alfafara is able to close the set.
I think they're giving out signed balls pa mamaya, yung Mikasa.
Oh, wow.
Sana makakuha ko.
Torres. Well read by Alfafara and Fuentes. Espejo pounds that one out.
Sobrang lakas ng palo outside ang pagbalik ng block ng team.
And that's similar also to the time that you guys came in, kayo nila Jem, for you, Phil. Kailan mo na-realize na, hey, we actually have a chance at this?
I think yung mga third year, kasi parang na-feel ko na talaga na yung
play, Rojas. Saradong pintuan. Fauzi. Lumabas. Puntos.
makita mo yung palo ni Fauzi, parang effortless, pero wow, single block ni Rodolfo Labrador.
Let's take a look at back set para kay Bagunas. Polvorosa, binigay kay Wu, and Raymark Wu tinapos ang match para sa Team Galaw. And that's it for our Spikers All-Star game. Nagtagumpay ang Team Galaw in 4 sets.